Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm being kind of sneaky today, right? Okay, I know you all heard about the one chip challenge. It's supposed to be like the hottest chip in the world or whatever, and people were supposed to, you know, feel the heat. Well, I went to the gas station and I found this chip. So what I'm gonna do, I wanna trick George, WaveCap. I'm gonna put this in a bowl of organic tortilla chips, which are black as well, okay? I'm gonna tell him that we're gonna eat a bowl of tortilla chips and some salsa, and I want him to grab the hot chip and see how this goes. Now, he can't eat hot stuff. He don't eat spicy food at all, so I don't know how this is gonna affect him at all, but we gonna see. So I'm gonna go set this up, put it in the bowl, get the sauce and everything, and then I'm gonna sit on the couch. I'm not gonna tell him that I put this in here. We're just gonna see how he reacts to it. All right, stay tuned. Okay, now the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in here and ask him, do he want some chips and some dip? What you doing?
Watching the game.
You wanna eat some chips and dip?
Chips and dip.
And some salsa and tortillas?
Right now?
Yes. No, not right now. But I gotta put it in the bowl and stuff. But you want some?
Okay. Okay, cool.
You want some?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why are you hesitating?
Cause I want you to go ahead. Yeah, I'll do it. What you gonna do? Just eat chips and dip?
Yeah. Don't you like those?
You gonna take a couple shots with me?
Oh my God! He always talking about some goddamn liquor. So I'm gonna put these chips in this bowl. These chips right here. I'm gonna trick his ass. Hold on, y'all. Let me set this camera up. Right here. There. Okay. Let's open this chip now. Thought I heard him coming. Wait, y'all. Hey, oh no, let me open it. I crushed it. You think he gonna crush it? Hey, yeah, he gonna crush it, all right. These chips are black as well. They're not hot. They're organic. Put some in. Open it. It's the same color. Oh my God. It's the same color. This just got this blue stuff on it though. It's in there, you can't tell. Well, he greedy and he be eating so fast, so he's not gonna tell. Put these up. Alright, let me turn the light on. Alright. So I got got some of this salsa, the medium salsa. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say I'm gonna do a Q&A from Instagram. Y'all asking me questions, and I'm just gonna sit here and eat the salsa with it. So wait a minute. I gotta make up some questions because y'all ain't sent me shit. Okay, I'm ready.
See my WaveCap?
I'm doing a video, Q&A.
Q&A?
Yeah. And I got some questions. Come on, eat the sauce. Eat some salsa.
Oh.
I got some tortilla chips from Whole Foods. They're blue. Ain't they cute?
Blue?
Yeah. Anyway, I got the camera on over there.
Oh, what's up?
And I'm just gonna do a Q&A. They want to know some things, you know, and I had included you in it.
Included?
Well, they included you in the question, so yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna eat some chips and salsa while we answer these questions. So,
Little back tip ain't bad.
they just a color chip. They ain't no different. You can tell?
That is different.
No, it's not. It's just blue. It's still corn. It's a new recipe.
Yeah,
You know, like the regular one was corn. These are just dark. They was on sale.
let's get it for
Anyway.
75 cents.
Huh?
Was you buying for 75 cents?
No. Why could you buy a big bag like this for 75 cents?
Okay.
Anyway, the first question is, they want to know if you're going to get back on YouTube soon.
If you're willing to do any video I want to.
Huh? Me?
Mm-hmm.
What I got to do with your videos?
Well, some of the videos I want to do, you got to do it with me.
That don't answer the question.
Yeah, I will. But she got to do the first one with me.
Okay. The next question is, they want to know, what kind of question is that?
What they want to know?
They want to know why it took me so long to get back on YouTube. Well, I took a little break.
Why?
I don't have a reason why. I just took a little break. And now I'm back. You know. And, you know, I'm going to be doing like pranks and stuff like that on people. My sons, my daughter. Be doing pranks and stuff, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm back.
You back? Why they didn't say they hot? Why they burning my lip a little bit?
I don't know. Maybe it's the salsa.
Burn the hell out of my lip.
I gotta be the salsa. You want some milk?
I don't drink milk. I need water.
You need some water? You want some water right now?
Come on, what is the next question?
You want some water?
Yes, please.
What's wrong with this salsa?
I taste it.
I did add a little more pepper to it.
Alright, come on.
Oh,
I need
okay.
water.
The water?
Yeah.
Shoot, you know where the water at?
I ain't gonna ask me do I want some water, then don't give me no water.
Because I was going to go get it.
That ain't cool.
Alrighty, where were I? Where was I? Ooh, why are you sweating?
Come on, Wes.
So, I told them that you don't eat hot stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's one of the questions that's on here. They saying, why don't you eat hot stuff? What a coincidence they asked this question.
Man, my stomach just don't take too hot. Like, I eat some hot stuff, but it just can't be like crazy, stupid hot, like ridiculous hot, like hot that make you, man, hot that make you, you know, you feel it in your soul, type of shit. My son gave me some shit last time.
Huh?
I said my son gave me some shit. Gave me some shit last time. It fucked my stomach up real bad.
Oh, so you quit eating hot stuff? Oh. That's why you don't never want to have no peppers or nothing?
I can eat peppers. Not just that Mexican peppers, the real hot ones. You know, the ones, the red ones.
The jalapeno?
No, jalapeno's cool. The little slim, the red.
The red hot one.
Yeah, that shit right there. You can't eat it either. That shit'll fuck you up.
You know what I can eat? I like hot stuff.
Alright then. Why don't you do the chip challenge then?
What chip challenge?
That chip challenge that they got going on out here. If you can eat hot stuff, let me see you eat that.
No, I don't want to eat that.
Hold on, but you eat hot stuff though.
Stuff like that. I eat hot sauce.
You don't eat hot Cheetos.
Not hot.
You eat mild, well, hot. Damn man, why I'm sweating? They kind of good though.
No. Alrighty. What? They're not hot at all.
Shit.
Are you feeling a little heat?
Yeah. But it's good though. Go ahead with the question. They got you a question. What's up? Can I ask you a question?
Ask me a question?
Mm-hmm.
No, it ain't. You don't ask the questions. They do. You just answer.
Oh.
What you want to ask me? Why do you keep doing that? Like this salsa is not hot at all. It's the same salsa, see?
Wait a minute.
You sweating for no reason.
Oh my god. Babe, I know you ain't give me nothing hot, babe.
What?
Oh, Jesus.
Come on, let's do the video. Come on.
Man, you sure that shit ain't hot?
No.
Why my lip burning?
That's not hot. Get one out the bag. Get a chip out the bag. You exaggerate. All the salsa is not hot.
Exaggerate. You eat it.
Okay.
Oh, this is soft.
Oh my God. Sit down. If it's hot, why you keep eating it? Why do you keep eating it if it's like hot?
Oh my God.
Boy, you tripping.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Can we finish the video?
What you give me? Oh my God.
What? What are you doing?
Feel like I got shit.
What? What?
I feel like I got doodle.
Oh my God. I thought it felt like you had a good.
Oh, it won't come. Hold on.
You don't want the salsa? You can eat it without the salsa.
Fuck that. You gave me that hot shit.
What?
That shit hot.
It's not that hot.
Oh my God. What you give me?
Oh my God. Y'all don't even know if he ate them.
Ah! Fuck! Oh my God. Oh my God.
You exaggerating.
Exaggerating.
Yes.
Man, you eat that shit.
I've been eating it the whole time. Sit down.
No, I think I can. No, what you? Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Sit down. You tripping.
Oh, that.
Where you going?
Shit.
What are you doing?
You got me some hot.
Ain't nothing hot in there. Just,
Why something
Oh my
fucked up?
how that quick?
Come on, man. What you get? Ah.
You tripping, dude.
What you gave me, man?
Oh God. I guess we ain't gonna finish this video today.
Go back and go. Oh!
It is not that serious. Oh God.
Why I feel like I got shit and it can't do nothing?
Let me
Give me.
Boy, get out the bathroom. Come here.
Honey.
Just come out the bathroom.
Well, I feel like that shit ain't coming out, honey.
I don't care about that. Sit down.
What you mean you don't care about what
That's
you...
a personal problem. Sit down.
There ain't no personal problem.
That's
You got
a personal problem if you feeling like that. Anyway, you want to finish the video?
No, man. Fuck this video. What did you give me? What you give me? What did you give me?
What you mean?
Dude, that shit wasn't no damn regular Cheetos chips, man. Fuck that. Hell no. What the fuck?
Anyway, you know, listen, look, sit down. I gotta tell you something.
What you gotta tell
It's
me?
another question.
What the question? What is it?
What you doing? The water right here.
Woo! Lord have mercy.
Oh, God. You're messing up my video.
I'm messing up your video.
Sit down. You doing too much.
You eat the damn chips.
I've I've been eating the chips. Sit down.
Man, I got the wrong chips, so that wasn't it.
Damn.
Come on, man. What you got to say, man?
Sit down.
Man, I
You're
can't,
messing
man.
up the video.
My stomach hurt, man. What you got?
Would you please sit down for a sec? We only got a couple more questions.
Answer the question. Ask the question, man.
Okay, have you ever tried the...
oh my God, man. What the fuck?
They want to know, have you ever tried the one chip challenge?
No, I told her I don't eat hot shit. Oh my God, man. I felt like that's what I ate, man.
Would you ever try the...
No, because, man, I think you gave me that shit.
Would you
my
ever
stomach
try,
hurt. No.
if they asked you, would you ever try the one chip challenge?
I can't, man. It feel like that's what I ate, man.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, this shit burning. Lord have mercy.
So you wouldn't try the one chip challenge, the hot chip, even for like $1,000.
Hell, fuck that. No. $1,000 ain't shit.
$1,000 is a lot.
It ain't a lot.
You
of
can
money.
do a lot with $1,000.
You can't do shit with $1,000.
Yes, you can.
About 3 outfits and that's it.
Okay, that's 3 outfits that you can get.
That ain't shit.
Okay, let's do the one chip challenge tomorrow.
Cool. No, hell no. You gonna do it?
Yeah.
I'll video you. You gonna do it?
Yeah, I do it.
Okay, shit. What?
But I gotta go find another chip.
What you mean another?
I found another chip.
What you mean another chip?
The chips. I see the chips. They like, listen.
I'm listening. Would you just say what you got to say? Shit, man.
I'm finna turn the camera off.
What you give me, man?
Anyway, I'm gonna try the one chip challenge. We're gonna try it tomorrow. It's really a really hot chip. We're gonna try it tomorrow, okay?
No, I told you I can't eat no hot. Oh my God, I feel like I ate that shit.
So if you eat a hot chip, what will happen? Come over to the camera.
Man, my stomach hurt, man. My stomach is fucked up. Oh my God, man.
Hold on, don't go back in the
My
bathroom.
stomach hurt, man. Why I feel like I got shit.
Sit down.
Oh my God, man. What you give me? Oh my God.
Anyway, I found this at the gas station. This is the one chip challenge. You wanna try it?
That's
Do you want to try it?
No. Hell no. No. No.
You don't. I want to
feel
try
like
it. I want to try it with this salsa.
Okay, try it.
Huh?
Try it. Let me see.
Hey, you ate it.
What?
You ate it up. Ready?
You bullshit. Oh God. I knew it was something. Man, you dirty. Oh.
Got him. Got him. Thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.